I'm currently building a kitchen table, and I thought I'd take a second to talk about this mortising machine. It's a Shop Fox W1671 from Grizzly. I've had this thing for many years. I don't use it a whole lot, but when I do use it, it comes in really handy and does a really good job. There's some setup things I'll talk about here in just a second that you have to be careful about when you set it up to make it work right. But when you get those things set, it does a really good job of mortising, and I'll show you some mortising here in just a second. Let me show you about the setup. Now, the most important thing about the setup is you see this little ring right here? You want to make sure that that ring is right at the tip of your chisel right there. When I first got it, I thought this was supposed to fit up inside of there, and it's not, because this actually, the chips have to clear and come out through this channel right here, and they'll burn a lot if you don't get this set right. So just get this set up right down below the tip of that chisel, and you'll be good to go. And then you just, if you move the fence up against the back side of the chisel, that'll get you nice and square, and you're ready to go. All right, let me just show you a few. I'll go ahead and mortise out this leg right here. Now, it'll do a plunge cut. Like, I can come back here and plunge, and I'll do that for you here in just a second. But I would suggest to you that you actually start on the outer edge and you work your way in. It clears the chips a little bit better. Some of them, fall out the side. You have to push really hard if you want to do just a plunge cut in. But a lot of times, you're doing a mortise that sits in like this, and that's the way you're going to have to do it. So it just takes more pressure, but this thing can take it, and it does a good job with it. Okay, so that was 1.5 inches down, and you can see it gives you a pretty nice finish right there. You notice I went back, because if you just plunge in, you'll wind up, it'll be kind of scalloped, and so I usually come back and drop down and clean those edges up like that. Probably wouldn't be absolutely necessary, but it also gives you a nice bottom of the hole where that drill bit was. All right, so if you have a need to do a lot of mortises, this machine's worth it. It's about $500. So it's not something you're going to buy unless you just really have to make a lot of mortises. But if you do, it does a good job, and if you need something like this, it's affordable. All right, well, I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.